How to upload or host your website with Namecheap 2023. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be quickly walking you through on how you can host your very own website with Namecheap. So there's two tabs when you come to the namecheap.com website. There's the domains tab and hostings tab. Now, if you want to host a separate website, okay, which like WordPress or dedicated servers or VPS hosting, then you can come to the hostings tab and go on click and shared hosting. Once you click on shared hosting, you get three basic plans. Okay, the Stellar plan, Stellar Plus, and Stellar Business. So they're pretty cheap, okay, relatively. So you can just go ahead with these. And the billing cycle, change it to monthly, make sure. It's a pretty cheap plans. And then you can see that they also give you a free website builder to work with, which is pretty incredible. So, but this is obviously if you want to get separate hostings. But if you want a domain to your name, and in that domain you can add as many websites as you want, then obviously go with domains over here. And once you go with domains, again, go with one of these three packages. You're going to find yourself a domain name, choose any domain. And then once you have domain, you're going to go with whatever website you already have, like let's say on Shopify, GoDaddy, and then add your custom domain into that website, and you're pretty much good to go. So that's how you're going to upload or host your website with Namecheap. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.